Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to learn how to make some tools to put in our toolbox to help us manage our emotions. Sometimes our emotions can get very strong, and sometimes it makes us want to just scream. We're so frustrated. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to make a squeeze the scream. It's a place for you to put all of your big screams and loud sounds of frustration. So this is how we're going to make it. Today, the things that we're going to need to make the squeeze the scream are a toilet paper roll, some glue, some tape, some paper towels, a ruler or any kind of straight edge, a pencil or a pen, and some scissors. And we're going to need a piece of paper. Any kind of paper will do. Construction paper, notebook paper, whatever you may have around the house. So the first thing that we're going to do is with our paper, we are going to cut out a piece that's going to be big enough to roll around our toilet paper roll. It's going to fit all the way around. Okay, so we have that piece of paper. Then we are going to cut out, draw out 2 3 by 3 inch squares. We're going to need one for the bottom and one for the top. So let's measure out with a ruler or any straight edge. Going to measure out 3 inches across the paper. And we're going to put a little mark on our paper. Then we're going to take the ruler and we'll mark out 6 inches with the ruler, making a mark in the middle at 3 inches. And we'll draw a line on the side for 3 inches, and another one for 3 inches. And we end up with 2 squares. Then we'll take our toilet paper roll and put it right in the middle of the square and draw a circle around our toilet paper roll. Another circle around our toilet paper roll. Okay. And then we will take our pen or pencil, and in one of the squares, so there's 2 circles now. And in one of our squares, we'll make a little X. Okay. That's going to be the top of our roll, of our squeeze the scream. So we'll take these 2 pieces and we will cut them out. Okay. So once you cut out your pieces, this is what you're going to end up with. 2 pieces, one with an X at the top and one without an X. So we're going to use the scissors and we're going to just cut this little square out and make a little tiny hole in the top. And then we're going to cut along the slits just up to the circle for the toilet paper roll. And this will make our top. We cut it all the way around. This way we can put it onto the roller. Okay, so that's our top, and this will be our bottom. And we'll cut those little slits again, just along to the circle. In order, so we have these flaps. We'll have little flaps all the way around. See how they're... So we'll take these, and we'll take our glue. We'll put a little glue on the outside of the square, around where the circle is. If it goes into your circle, that's okay. Make sure to put your cap on your glue so your glue doesn't dry out. So we're going to take our toilet paper roll, put it right on here, and then we're going to fold our flaps up so that they stick onto the toilet paper roller. Now this is where your tape can come in, because sometimes the glue doesn't want to hold right away. So you can take a piece of tape and put it right on there so it can kind of hold your flap on while your glue dries. We're going to put the flaps on all the way around our toilet paper roll and push it all down so it sticks. You may want to take a big piece of tape and stick it all the way around so our bottom piece can stick on. There you go. So now we have our bottom. Okay. Now, this is when we get the magic to happen. We're going to take our paper towels, roll out some paper towels, and we're going to take the paper towels and put them into our toilet paper roll. And we're going to fill it on up. And you can push it all in there and stuff it really tight. If you feel like you need some more, get some more paper towels and stick them down into your toilet paper roll. Then you have this. You take your piece now with the X cut out in the middle, and you fold down the edges on the middle X. So you have a little hole in the top of your squeeze the screen. Okay. So you've got your folded edges down, and you have a hole in the top. Then you're going to put glue again on these edges, all the way around. You can even put some in the middle and glue your flaps down as well. So you glue your little flaps down. Then you take this and put it on the top of your toilet paper roll. And this is where you're going to get your scream to go. And you just fold these flaps down, holding it down. Again, you can take a big piece of tape and wrap it all the way around to hold your top on. Now you have this. And you can stop here if you want to, but you can also then take the piece of paper that goes all the way around your toilet paper roll and put some glue on that. And then roll your toilet paper roll all the way up in the paper. So it's completely covered. And you have yourself a squeeze the screen. And you can put on this flap another little piece of tape to hold it down. And then this is where you're going to scream into. You've got it all covered, and you can squeeze in here, scream in here, and this is what it'll sound like. You can scream as loud as you want to into your squeeze the scream. And you can squeeze your paper holder and get some of your frustrations out like that. I hope that helps. And you can squeeze the scream whenever you need to. Thank you for joining me.